अभी आपको बनारस से चलेंगे। तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग कर रहे हैं।
To express gratitude for the warm hospitality received during recent visit of the Prime Minister of Azerbaijan, to Azerbaijan. The two leaders agreed to work closely to accelerate the implementation of the discussions and decisions made regarding trade and investment during the visit. The sixth round of Pakistan-Italy bilateral political consultations was convened on 28 February in Rome. Pakistan side was led by Foreign Secretary Ambassador Amna Baloch, and the Italian delegation was led by Secretary General Riccardo Guariglia. The two sides also, while expressing satisfaction at the positive trajectory of bilateral relations, reaffirmed their commitment to further expand cooperation in the areas of economy, development, agriculture, defense, higher education, and people-to-people contacts. Both sides exchanged views on a number of international and regional issues, as well as reiterated to have close coordination in the multilateral platforms. Pakistan condemns in the strongest possible terms Israel's decision to block critical humanitarian aid from entering Gaza during the holy month of Ramadan. This latest action is part of Israel's systematic campaign to deny much-needed humanitarian aid to millions of Palestinians in dire need. This constitutes yet another blatant violation of international law by the occupying power and could imperil the ceasefire agreement. We call on the international community to ensure unrestricted humanitarian access to Gaza and to hold Israel accountable for imposition of collective punishment through denial of humanitarian aid to millions of civilians. We reject the remarks made by Indian External Affairs Minister on Jammu and Kashmir during an event at Chatham House, London, held on 5th March 2025. The remarks misrepresent the ground realities and contravenes the international law. Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory. The relevant UN Security Council resolutions stipulate that the final status of the Jammu and Kashmir is to be determined through a free and impartial plebiscite under the UN auspices. India's prevarication cannot change this reality. We also wish to underscore that any electoral exercise pursuant to Indian Constitution cannot serve as a substitute to grant of right to self-determination. Similarly, the decades-old grievances of the Kashmiri people cannot be meaningfully addressed through economic activity down the barrel of a gun. Instead of making baseless claims about Azad Jammu and Kashmir, India should vacate the large territories of Jammu and Kashmir under its occupation for the last 77 years. It must realize that a peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant UN Security Council resolutions and wishes of the Kashmiri people is imperative for a lasting peace in South Asia. Announcements. The Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, will travel to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to take part in the extraordinary session of the OIC Council of Foreign Ministers, which is set to take place on 7th March 2025 in Jeddah. The high-level meeting will discuss joint actions in response to the deteriorating conditions in Palestine due to the ongoing Israeli aggression, violation of Palestinian rights, and calls for their displacement. At the upcoming OIC CFM session, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister will reaffirm Pakistan's steadfast support for the Palestinian cause and emphasize its principled position. He will advocate for the full withdrawal of Israel from all occupied territories, including Jerusalem, denounce the unacceptable proposal for further displacing Palestinians, and call for restoration of the inalienable rights of the Palestinian people, such as their right to return to their homeland and the establishment of a viable, contiguous and sovereign Palestinian state based on the pre-June 1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. I thank you.
इस वक्त तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग कर रहे हैं जो आपने मुलाहिजा किया। तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा की जानिब से कहा गया कि मकबूजा कश्मीर पर भारतीय वज़ीर ख़ारजा का बयान मुस्तरद करते हैं। रूस और यूक्रेन के दरमियान अमन के ख्वाह हैं। तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा ने कहा कि अमरीका से इंसदाद दहशत गर्दी पर ताउन जारी है।